Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here we need to find and select settings. Then let's choose biometrics and security. From following options, choose fingerprints. And now let's tap continue. Before we add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. In my case, let me use pattern for example. Let's choose your pattern. Let's tap continue and let's do it again just for confirmation. And now you can set up your fingerprint. So let me do it. As you can see, this is the fingerprint scanner, fingerprint sensor. Let's just start tapping the sensor. Alright, it's almost done. Tap continue. And fingerprint added, so we can tap done. Now you can press power key to lock your device, and to unlock it, you can use the pattern of course, or you can use the fingerprint. Let me show you. And that's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.